Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Reposting a WhatsApp status is a great way to reshare important updates, memories, announcements, or fun moments without having to recreate them from scratch. Whether it's a photo, video, or text you previously posted, you might want to share it again. Follow these step-by-step instructions. First, open WhatsApp app on your iPhone. To be able to repost WhatsApp status, of course, someone must tag you in the status first. If you are mentioned in a status, the notification will appear. For example, I posted a status and tagged a WhatsApp account on my iPhone. And here you can see the caption you were mentioned. Tap on the notification and tap on Add to status. And before posting, you can add a caption, or you can set your WhatsApp status privacy settings. Once done, post. After the status is posted, next to the profile will appear the caption reshared from mention. But this will only appear on your WhatsApp, not on other WhatsApp users. After you post, tags or mentions will also appear in the status creator notification. And now you know how to repost status on WhatsApp. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.